WordHoard is a corpus analytics platform with texts already loaded, categorized, and tagged. The texts are the complete works of Shakespeare, Spenser, and Chaucer, and a selection of early Greek epic. In this video, we will explore step-by-step how to use WordHoard. To learn more about the methods of text analysis that WordHoard uses, please watch the Corpus Analytics video. WordHoard is a Java application that you can download for free. Make sure you have an updated version of Java running. Then go to http://wordhoard.northwestern.edu and download the program. When you first open WordHoard, the first window is a table of contents. From here, you can see what's included in the corpus, and you can read the texts. As you work in WordHoard, texts, word sets, and analysis outputs will each pop up in a new window. To find different uses of a word in the text, you can go to Find. Under Find Words, there are options to find words based on the different tagging systems, including corpus, word class, like adjective, and speaker gender. You can add as many parameters as you'd like, and as many words as you'd like. To analyze the texts, go to Analysis in the menu. There are 4 single analysis options and 4 comparative options. Create Word Form gives you a list of all the words in the text you choose, and how they are categorized, and their counts. You can choose a single text, like Macbeth, or a collection of texts from the program, like William Shakespeare or tragedies. Or you can analyze a set you've created using the word set feature. Find Colocates allows you to see what words are likely to occur together with a given word span of texts you are looking at. For example, in Macbeth, blood occurs often with sleepy, which may not be a surprise given Lady Macbeth sleepwalking. However, it also occurs with stone, which may send us back into the text to see how these words relate. You can also review your results in a cloud form to make their relative likelihood more easily discernible. Find Multi-Word Units returns words that frequently appear together. You can change the parameters to allow you to see phrases of any length, 2 words together, 3 words together, and so on. Track word form over time shows change over multiple works rather than within a single work. You can view the results in a chart as well. The compare options are similar to the single analysis options. However, they give you the chance to see how different works compare, which is often the best way to understand significance. The high occurrence of "the" in Macbeth might not seem interesting until we see that it occurs more frequently than in the rest of Shakespeare's corpus. To see how it compares to the rest of the corpus, first open the Analysis tab and select Compare Many Word Forms. Let's choose lemma, which means we will get results with multiple forms of the word, like murder, murdered, and murdering. Then we choose the main analysis text that we want to examine, Macbeth, and the reference corpus, in this case, author Shakespeare. Click OK. The resulting window brings up a table with columns of numerical data. It lets us know whether a word in Macbeth is over or underused, along with statistics about that use. Vain and hail, unsurprisingly, are used more compared to the rest of Shakespeare, but the overuse of our and thee might call our attention, especially in the company of such Macbeth-centric words like sleep, weird, and dagger. You can look at the same information in a cloud. We can also examine a single text more closely. Let's take Spenser's The Faerie Queen. If we go to Analysis and create a word form list of the Faerie Queen, we can see that the most frequently used words are typically small words, pronouns, conjunctions, and articles. Scrolling down a bit further, we start to see other adjectives and nouns appear. Great is one of the most frequently used adjectives at 911 uses. Can the use of great tell us anything interesting about the text? Let's select Analysis at the top and pick out Find Colocates. We can use this to see what other words are used most frequently with great. The dialog box will ask us to choose what form of great we're looking for. Select the adjective, marked with a J. In the results, the second column shows how many times each colocate appears next to the target word. Many of the most frequently used colocates are again conjunctions, articles, and pronouns. Notice how he and his are both frequent colocates for great, but her is only used half as often. This would have been nearly impossible to find by merely reading the text, but this revolution might push a scholar to look again at gender-specific descriptions of characters. WordHoard and other corpus analytics tools help scholars to machine read texts much quicker than could ever be done manually. It's possible, though not easy, to load your own corpus into WordHoard. If you're interested in creating a custom corpus, you may want to use Voyant, Stanford's NLP tool, or other alternatives.